Hi guys, my name is Yasmin Iskandar, a sales and leasing executive here at Jaguar Land Rover of Windsor. Today I'll be talking to you about the importance of brake maintenance on your vehicle. When thinking about your vehicle's safety, the conditions of your brakes are essential. While every part of your vehicle should be working in good condition, your brakes are the most important. Your brake system affects the handling, safety, and the overall performance of your car, so it must be properly maintained and inspected periodically. Poor brake maintenance not only reduces the longevity and performance of your vehicle, but also contributes to costly fees associated with premature wear and tear. Having them inspected by one of our technicians can help ensure all parts are working as they should. Your brakes consist of disc rotors, calipers, brake pads, and brake fluid that occasionally needs to be serviced in order to keep them working at 100%. When bringing your vehicle in for brake service, here's what to expect. After a walk-around inspection, our technicians disassemble all 4 brakes and individually clean all parts of brake dust and any sort of built-up dirt and debris. Once clean, all components will then be lubricated, readjusted, and reassembled safely to your vehicle. Brake service offers many benefits, ultimately resulting in peace of mind when getting behind the wheel. Not having to worry about hearing high-pitched screeching noises and the condition of your brake system when driving is ideal. Book your service appointment today by calling the number below or visit us online at landroverwindsor.com or jaguarwindsor.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.